Under the floodlights of a transformed Warner Brothers studio lot in Burbank, the night air crackles with electric anticipation as Tesla's We, Robot event explodes into life. Dozens of sleek, silver prototypes glide silently through the shadows, their butterfly doors rising like wings in perfect synchronization, ferrying wide-eyed guests on flawless, driverless loops around the iconic backlot sets. This is no ordinary reveal, it's a thunderous declaration that the future of transportation has arrived, bold, unapologetic, and utterly revolutionary. At the heart of the spectacle emerges the Cybercab, Tesla's dedicated robotaxi, a stunning two-seater masterpiece that redefines urban mobility. Its compact, aerodynamic body, shorter than a Model 3 yet spacious inside, gleams with aluminum panels painted in shimmering silver, echoing the Cybertruck's angular ethos but softened into flowing, futuristic curves for maximum efficiency. No steering wheel, no pedals, no mirrors cluttering the profile. Instead, elegant butterfly doors swing upward automatically, inviting passengers into a minimalist cabin dominated by a massive central touchscreen that floats like a portal to another world. Plush, forward-facing seats cradle two riders in luxury, with generous legroom and a cavernous rear hatch revealing surprising cargo space for luggage or late-night takeout. Front and rear light bars pulse with cybernetic intensity, while inductive charging pads eliminate plugs entirely. The Cybercab simply rolls over a station and powers up wirelessly, ready for endless duty. Powered by Tesla's vision-only AI, relying solely on cameras for navigation, it promises operating costs as low as 20 cents per mile, slashing ride-hailing prices to pennies and turning personal transport into individualized mass transit. Production ramps up before 2027, with each unit priced under $30,000, making ownership or fleet operation accessible to millions. Wow factor hits peak when 20 of these gleaming machines swarm the lot unsupervised, weaving through crowds with ballistic precision, proving autonomy isn't coming, it's here. The energy surges higher as a massive, retro-futuristic behemoth rolls onto the stage, the Robovan, an autonomous electric shuttle that shatters expectations for high-density travel. This Art Deco-inspired marvel stretches like a streamlined train from a sci-fi dream, its sleek, wheel-concealing body-hiding and cavernous interior that swallows up to 20 passengers in facing rows under glowing overhead glass portals and finned lighting accents. White, pristine cabin walls frame large screens at both ends, perfect for entertainment or route info, while adaptive suspension dynamically adjusts for passenger comfort or heavy cargo loads. No driver compartment, just pure, versatile space that morphs from party bus to school shuttle to delivery hauler. Doors slide open mid-body like a high-speed rail car, unleashing groups in waves. Designed for the Tesla network, it crushes costs to 5 to 10 cents per mile, solving urban congestion with effortless, emission-free group transport. The crowd erupts as it glides forward, a rolling symbol of roads transformed into something bolder, more imaginative. Weaving through the throng, humanoid figures add a layer of jaw-dropping wonder. Optimus Gen 2 robots, slimmer and faster than ever, mingle with guests under neon lights. These 5 feet 8 inches marvels, with 22 degrees of freedom in their dexterous hands, pour drinks at glowing bars, dance in synchronized troops inside gazebos, and hand out swag with uncanny fluidity. Their featureless faces tilt curiously as they chat, gesture, and perform tasks once reserved for humans, folding laundry, watering plants, or fetching packages in demo videos that hint at endless potential. Priced at $20,000 $30,000, Optimus promises to tackle dangerous, repetitive jobs in factories first, then homes, evolving into the ultimate helper with Tesla's end-to-end neural nets powering every graceful move. Powering it all is the explosive leap in full self-driving technology. By late 2025, FSD version 14.2 rolls out wide, delivering step-change improvements in urban chaos handling, pedestrian prediction, and speed profiling that blends driver style with traffic flow. Unsupervised autonomy launches in select cities like Austin and beyond, with robotaxi networks expanding rapidly, no nags, no interventions, just seamless miles. Existing Teslas join the fleet via software magic, earning owners passive income on the Tesla Ride-Hail app. The lot pulses with motion, Cybercabs darting silently, Robovan looming majestically, Optimus bots grooving under strobes. This isn't a product launch, it's a cinematic paradigm shift, where autonomy liberates time, slashes costs, and reimagines cities. Tesla doesn't just build cars anymore, it unleashes a robotic ecosystem that's faster, smarter, and more exhilarating than anyone dared dream. The future roars forward, electric and unstoppable. December 20, 2025, dawns with a surge of raw, unrelenting momentum as Tesla's autonomous revolution barrels forward at breakneck speed, turning the bold visions of the "we" robot spectacle into tangible, heart-pounding reality. Across Austin's sun-baked streets and the sprawling lots of Giga Texas, production-intent cybercabs, those sleek, silver two-seaters with no steering wheel, no pedals, and upward-swinging butterfly doors, slice through traffic in intense testing phases, their vision-only cameras capturing every nuance of urban chaos with razor-sharp precision. Near-final prototypes gleam in showrooms from San Jose to Austin, showcasing refined proportions, powered door struts, plush cushioned seats, and revised cupholders that scream premium refinement. Inductive charging pads hum silently beneath them, eliminating cords forever, while front and rear light bars pulse with futuristic intensity. Elon Musk's latest updates confirm it. Volume production kicks off in Q2 2026, targeting millions annually at under $30,000 per unit, with AI-4 hardware powering the leap, delivering operating costs plunging to 20 cents per mile and ride prices that demolish traditional hailers. The wow hits hardest in downtown Austin sightings, these driverless marvels weaving flawlessly, side mirrors temporarily affixed for testing but destined to vanish in the steering wheel-free final form, proving Tesla's end-to-end neural nets are conquering real-world unpredictability faster than ever. The adrenaline escalates as Tesla's robotaxi network explodes into everyday life, launching mid-year with modified Model Y fleets that have ballooned to over 100 vehicles roaming Austin and the San Francisco Bay Area. By late December, the game-changer arrives. Fully driverless operations without safety monitors, spotted gliding empty through public roads, no human aboard, as Musk declares unsupervised FSD, pretty much solved. A massive new FSD model, boasting 10x parameters, rolls out post-holidays, obliterating latency and elevating prediction to superhuman levels. Existing owners watch their Teslas transform via over-the-air magic, joining the Tesla network to earn passive revenue while fleets scale toward dozens of cities. Costs crater to pennies per mile, urban grids unclog, and personal cars evolve into income-generating assets, the paradigm-shifting wow of autonomy liberating humanity from the wheel, safer than ever, with expansion permits secured in Arizona and more states incoming. Towering over the horizon, the Robovan looms as the next seismic disruptor, its Art Deco-inspired bulk teased for. Accelerated development into autonomous shuttles and even RV conversions, promising 20-passenger hauls or cargo morphs at 5 to 10 cents per mile. Sliding doors unleash waves of riders under glowing portals, adaptive suspension conquering any load, party bus one day, delivery beast the next. Musk's "It's coming" echoes resound, hinting at 2027 horizons but with momentum building alongside roadster revivals. Amid the frenzy, Optimus Gen 3 prototypes stride factories in limited runs, dexterous 22DOF hands tackling battery handling and delicate tasks with eerie fluidity, internal deployments hitting hundreds as Tesla refines the $20,000 $30,000 helper destined for homes and hazardous jobs. Voice interaction via Grok adds uncanny personality, fleet learning accelerating every graceful motion. Austin pulses as ground zero, driverless Model Ys ferrying riders, cybercab tests intensifying, Optimus units shadowing lines. This isn't incremental progress, it's a cinematic eruption, Tesla unleashing an interconnected robotic empire that's slashing costs, reclaiming time, and electrifying the world. The future doesn't creep, it accelerates, unstoppable, toward a horizon where roads belong to machines, and humanity thrives freer than ever imagined.